Hi, I'm Michelle Su, a product marketer at Imgix. In this video, I'm excited to show you how our AI editing tools can help brands create stunning visuals that fit any platform or campaign using just a single image. Let's say you're a marketer at a fashion brand and you're working on a new ad campaign for this red jacket. However, your selection of photos for this jacket is limited. In the past, creating different versions of an image for different platforms might have meant spending hours in design software or having to schedule another expensive photo shoot. But with our smart features, you can entirely skip those extra steps and do it all in just a few clicks. Let's say you are preparing for a fall campaign and want to make this image into a new hero banner on your website. You would start by cleaning up the image with object removal to get rid of that person behind the model. Then you might use generative fill to expand the image to the appropriate dimensions for your homepage banner. Then use a generative fill prompt such as autumn leaves to make this image seasonally appropriate for the fall. You can also use background replacement as an option to keep your homepage fresh by swapping out the scenery for any season. Let's say you're heading into the winter. You can put this model on a snowy backdrop or even at a holiday market. This used to take hours and hours of editing, and now it can be done in less than a minute. Creating social media content often takes a ton of time simply because of all the different aspect ratios that you have to manage. Editing a photo to fit a platform's requirements used to take a lot of work to make sure nothing critical was cut off or stretched out. But now you can use tools such as generative fill to uncrop any photo and preserve the original photo entirely. Our context-aware AI will fill in the new area with pixels that make sense. You can also use background replacement to create multiple variations of a single image to match your social media aesthetic. Or you can even use background removal to get a PNG of just the model in this photo and then place her on top of any branded templates that you already have. Now let's say you're working on a targeted ad campaign based on geography. This used to mean having to create new designs for every localized version, but now you can combine generative fill and background replacement to tailor your images for any region. You can add a city backdrop to target more metropolitan audiences, or a serene countryside scenery for more suburban markets. And as you already know, you can adapt the image to any aspect ratio you like. Lastly, if you're working with a lower quality image, you can always apply super resolution as the last step. This feature will upscale your image and make it look more sharp and professional for any screen and even print formats. With just one image, you produced campaign-ready visuals for different seasons, social media posts, and geographic markets without any extra costs or any of the manual work. Our capabilities let you do more with less and make it simple to turn a single photo into endless possibilities. If you'd like to learn more about our AI features, please reach out to your account manager or contact us at support@imagix.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.